case file?
Yes, we did.
Now, did you forward the phone records that you had gotten, all of them, and the Life 360 records that you've talked about, to any other FBI personnel for analysis?
Yes, I did.
Can you tell us who it was that you gave them to?
Yes. When we received them, I also gave them to Special Agent Rob Corley. He is one of our CAS folks, which stands for Cellular Analysis Survey Team, who deal with cell phone data.
Okay. No further questions, Your Honor.
I think I can narrow it down to a couple of hundred questions, Judge. Mr. Is it Taylor Burns, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, I don't want to.
No worries.
I don't want to get it inverted. So, Mr. Burns, with regard to Daniel Youngkin's phone extraction, you're not saying that everything you've included in your presentation was everything you extracted, are you?
No, I'm not.
Okay, so there was, and I'm just going to specifically mention some things. I mean, State's Exhibit 87 has a number of text messages and stuff that both the defense and the state have already introduced, but you didn't reference them. But were they part of your extraction as well?
They were.
Okay, so that's my first question. My next question is, and I don't, to be quite frank with you, I did not understand the bouncing blue dot. So
Sure.
I'm going to ask you, I understood the 204 and I understood the Azalea part, but the one for Danny Youngkin's route to work and from work, I really didn't. So if you could, just in regular old English, tell
Sure.
me, what was the route he took from 535 Buckhalter to Port Wentworth in regular old plain English for me?
I don't know every road that he took without looking at a map.
That's fine. You have it in front of you.
yeah,
for
you
your
mind?
presentation. Yeah, I have
Okay.
no problem.
Sure.
I'm just saying I don't understand.
No, you're fine. Give me 1 second, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I assume it starts at 535 Buckhalter.
It does.
All right. So that
and-
goes down. What's the first road he goes down?
I believe it was Garrard Avenue. Obviously, I have a very zoomed out picture
That's fine.
of that.
That's fine.
So I think it was Garrard Avenue to Veterans, based on this, up. I think that's up 516 into 21, up 21 over to where the workplace is.
Okay. So just so I can get it straight in my head.
Sure.
Goes right down Garrard Avenue, over to Chatham Parkway, to Veterans Parkway, to 516, correct?
I believe that's correct, yes. Without seeing the dots themselves,
Well,
yes.
that's fine. And then to 21, and then up to, I guess, Port Wentworth. on
Correct.
21. And I assume it's the same or similar route back.
Similar route back, yes.
And that's the only questions I have for you.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Mr. Dean, in the redirect?
No, Your Honor.
And Special Agent, thank you.
Thank
You may step down.
Thank you.
Okay, I believe that's going to be the last witness today. This is a good point to break. So, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, Monday morning, we're going to start at 10. Okay, and so I'm going to wish you a good afternoon and a great weekend. I'm going to remind you that you're not to talk to anyone about the case. Don't let anyone talk to you about the case. Don't do any research. Don't consume any media. All right? Thank you very much. And may I just say, I appreciate your patience. This is not easy stuff. It's a lot of work. And, you know, you get called in and your whole life is interrupted. But please know that your service is truly appreciated. Thank you. Have a good weekend.
Crew is exiting.
All right. Thank you, Williams. All right. So, is there anything that we need to attend to this afternoon?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Dean.
I don't think so, Judge.
All right, Mr. Hilliard. I wasn't surprised to hear y'all say that. So I think this has been a long week, and we will resume on Monday morning, 10 o'clock. Have a great weekend. Thank you. We're in recess.
All right, the first week of the Leilani Simon trial coming to an end. We heard lots of testimony today, starting with Quentin Simon's babysitter. We also heard from several members of law enforcement detailing the movements and whereabouts that they were able to track of Leilani Simon and Daniel Youngkin through different cell phone data and surveillance video. We also heard from FBI Special Agent Taylor Burns on his investigation into the case as well. So you can expect a full breakdown on the news at 7, as well as in our evening shows as they are ongoing right now. Make sure to stay tuned on our website, WTOC.com, for the latest information of this case. You can follow it from Monday to today and from beginning to end. We even have a timeline that gives details even before Quentin was reported missing in October of 2022. So make sure to stick with us for a complete breakdown. Again, that's going to be on the news at 7. Stay with us both on air and online, and we'll keep you updated. Monday morning, court resumes at 10 a.m. per the judge. And again, we are on a 30-minute delay, so you can expect that coverage to start around 10:30 a.m. Monday morning. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next week.